The latest CDC data shows that there has been an alarming rise in whooping cough cases nationally and in some states, including here in Colorado. This rise is believed to be due to missed vaccinations during the COVID pandemic and lack of masking during illness. This is a highly contagious illness, and people can be infectious for weeks. Next, an estimated 35% of U.S. adults have received the flu shot, and less than 18% have received their COVID vaccines, according to a new report. Since the CDC has recommended flu and COVID shots for everyone over the age of 6 months and older, if you haven't gotten your vaccines yet, it's not too late. Please head out and get them before the winter respiratory virus season picks up full steam. And finally, the biggest scientific breakthrough reported at the American Heart Association meeting this week was the finding that tirzepatide, a weight loss drug marketed as Zepbound, lowered risks of worsening heart failure and cardiovascular death in obese adults. This medication started as a diabetes medicine, then became an obesity medicine, and is now a heart failure medicine. So if you're obese, talk to your doctor about whether this medication may reduce your cardiovascular risk. I'm Dr. Payal Kohli with this week's Health Headlines.